Hi, good morning, everyone. It's so good to see you again. It is 4. Let me get my pointer here. It is 4/15/20. That is April 15th, 2020. Everybody ready? Read with me. Good morning, amazing first graders. Yes, that's right. You all are amazing. And my pointer doesn't lie. When I point at you and say, amazing, I mean it. Today is Wednesday, April 15th. Oh, yes, it's tax day. If you haven't gotten your taxes done yet, kids, make sure you do that. If you have any questions about what that actually is, make sure you check in with your parents. They'll explain it to you. Let's talk about the difference between there and there, as they're definitely different, Mr. Scott. What? Did Mr. Scott put there, and there in the same sentence, but they're all different words, they're all spelled differently, and they all have different meanings? Well, have no fear. I will explain. As you know, I don't know if you can see this. Yep, you can see it on here. One of our words of the week is there. Okay, so let me go over those quickly. Ready? So this one right here, the difference between there, T-H-E-I-R, T-H-E-I-R. Okay, it's that top one there. Okay, there shows ownership. Okay, it's something that somebody owns. So to use that in the sentence, that is their toy. T-H-E-I-R. Their toy. It's somebody's toy. They own it. Okay, so T-H-E-I-R. Okay, ready? The next one is T-H-E-R-E. Ready? That one's right here. T-H-E-R-E. That refers to a place. The ball is over there. And it actually is. There's a ball right over there. I can almost see it. It's my son's ball that he plays with all the time. But it's actually right over there. T-H-E-R-E. So that refers to a place. My car is over there. Your book is over there. Okay, would be some more examples of that. And finally, the last one is this one, which is actually a contraction for they are. Okay, so that's a contraction for they are. We've talked about contractions. It's a way to take two words that are commonly used together, and to shorten them, we make a contraction. We remove one of the letters from this word here, are. We combine those words together to there, like they are. Okay? And it's a contraction for they are. There is a contraction for they are. An example of that is they're going to the park. Okay, they are. So, and if you ever don't know which one you should use for that example, if you can replace it with they are, you know it's there, the one with the contraction. They are going to the park, they're going to the park. Okay, that's a simple, quick, easy way to know that. Okay, so that's all about there, and there. All right, if you have any questions, just let me know. Just stop me. Just raise your hand. Just, Mr. Scott, and I'll call on you, okay? All right. So, let's go over our schedule for today. Today is a music day. Wednesday's a music day, so I put that at the very end here. Ready? Morning meeting, language arts, outside time, math, lunch, language arts, music, read aloud. And I sure hope you're eating lunch in there. I forgot to put recess in there, but that's okay. I sure hope you're, if you're not going outside, you're getting some kind of fresh air, even if you're opening a window, or you're getting some form of exercise. That would be something really important. And go to Class Dojo for your music lessons for this week. Okay? Before we get on to words of the week, we're going to go over the weather. Today is supposed to be mostly sunny, a high of about 54 degrees. So It's a pretty mild day. I notice the leaves are changing out there, or the trees are no longer dormant. They're actually growing their leaves back right now. And that warmer kind of sunny weather will help with that. So spring needs two things. The trees and the flowers, they need two things. Ready? Do you know what they are? They do two things to grow and to bloom. You're right, yeah. It's sunshine and they need rain. Okay? They need enough water and they need enough sunshine to help them to grow. All right. So let's go over our words of the week, and we already went over that word there, but we're going to go ahead and read it anyhow. Everyone ready? Read with me. Much, other, there, told, was, were. Ready? One more time. Much, other, there, told, was, were. See that word told? Even though there's nothing there. There's not an E at the end of the word. That's, King Edward making that say its name. But it still is saying its name, isn't it? Told. T-O-L-D. And sometimes I notice we get this word were confused with where. Where would be W-H-E-R-E. This word is were. W-E-R-E. So if you're doing your word work, and you should be, you'll get a lot of practice writing those words, but some of the most important part of that is getting practice using them in sentences, and your parents can help you with that if you need help. But by using them in sentence, you're telling yourself, you're telling your parents, and you're telling me that you know what that word means. You know how to use it in the sentence, and that's really super important. Okay, so let's spin that a little bit this way. Today is our 136th day of school. I'll go ahead and change that. 136. And down to our calendar. You see I went in, filled in the 14 with some black ink on the outside, which makes that easier to see. We know today is the 15th, and one of our friends came up with the idea of first doing Roy G. Biv, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. But then the next time through, not starting with red, starting with orange. Okay, so orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Now we're in the third time through, and now we're skipping the first two. We're skipping red, we're skipping orange, and then we're starting with yellow. So what's next? Yeah, that's right. It's green. Green comes after yellow in the rainbow. Today is the 15th. It is tax day. Make sure you get your taxes done. It's very important. And you don't have to get your taxes done. You're a child. But adults have to get their taxes done. And that's really, really important to do that. And today is the deadline. A deadline means it's the last day you can get it done, unless you get some form of a extension. All right. So here we go. And I forgot to do this yesterday. I also forgot to do the weather. I was really pretty tired. I was really tired yesterday, so I forgot to do a couple things. But I got a good night's sleep. I'm feeling a little better. Ready? So here's your knock knock joke of the day. Knock knock. That's what you say. Who's there? Ozzy. I'll see you later, alligator. You get it? I'll go ahead and show you that one. Ready? It's this one right here. Hope you can see that. Sometimes you hold this too close and it gets all blurry. I'll see you later, alligator. I love that one. That's a good one. All right, so that's about it. So we're going to be working on some different subjects today. We're learning about inflectional endings. We're learning about root words. And we're learning about endings we can put on those root words like es, s, ed, ing, to make those words, to give them a different meaning. Okay, so we're going to get some more practice with that today. We have some science. We're going to do some stuff with some, we're going to get into a unit on trees. I'm learning about trees, and that should be pretty exciting. And I think that's about it for now. So I will get that information to you that will help you to work on that stuff. We're going to continue on with our math as we were. We were working on adding numbers that are divisible by 10 or have factors of 10 that we can subtract. So 40 minus 10, 70 minus 30. And I hope you're all learning a trick about that. And a really easy trick with something like that is if you know 7 minus 4, you know 70 minus 40, right? So let's try it. 70 minus 40. Okay, if you know 7 minus 4 is 3, it's going to be 3 tens left. Hope you can see that. And then we're just going to make a 0 there for the ones column. So 30. All right. Anybody has any questions on those, please let me know. I also have a read aloud for us today. That'll be a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed your music Zoom call. I Zoom called with one friend today, and that was a lot of fun. And I'm sorry, yesterday I did. That was a lot of fun, and I look forward to talking to more of you as the days go on. I hope everything went okay with reading A to Z. I know it's a new week, and we're learning how to log in, and everything's different. But if you have any questions about that, please let me know. But I think most of you were able to get in there and see your assignments. The same book you read yesterday, you read twice. You're going to read that same book today, again twice. And then you have another question for day 2 for that. All right. So everyone have a great rest of your day. See you soon.